Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jennifer here. In today's video, I'm gonna be personalizing a Christmas t-shirt for my toddler. I thought it would be kind of fun to get started and get into the holiday spirit, so to speak. So Creative Fabrica is a place where you can definitely go purchase cute designs. You can pay for it individually, or you can do it monthly, or you can definitely even do it by paying for the membership. I have a membership since last year. It went on sale and I thought it was a good investment for me because there's a lot of cute designs and creativity on here that I know it's going to be a struggle for me to do from scratch. But for today's t-shirt, I thought I would go with this. It's a little t-shirt, little reindeers, and then you can write the name of your child underneath. I do like this pink bow as well as this red bow. What's cool is you usually let you know like what kind of designs you have available. I'll probably end up doing this one or even this one. Just for today's purposes, but I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna go to browse, find my image. It's gonna be in downloads. It's gonna be under reindeer family. I am gonna choose an SVG file. Again, an SVG file allows you to separate the image into multiple layers should you want to have changing any coloring that's already embedded into the image itself. I am gonna try this one today. This is super cute. Click continue, upload. It's going to take a minute to upload. Here you see the image. If you ungroup this, you're going to see the different layers it comes with. So it looks like they separated the layer for the hat. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see exactly how they did that. Okay, so I'm going to change the roof color to black. Looks like. So what I'm gonna do now is write the name. Peter. Helpful. I'm gonna put here. Change the font to something I like. I'm gonna go to system so I can make it like Bradley hands. Nope, I don't really like that. And I'm gonna make this with retro matte. I'm gonna put it below. I'm gonna make sure it fits in between the two. Right here, make sure I am centering where I want to place it. I'm going to change this color to black as well. Let's do that. I'm going to group all of these together, make it on the mat. This is going to break down by the colors that I would need to cut, which is white, black, and red. We are going to basically have to layer this onto the actual fabric, and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so here I already went ahead and cut out all the designs and placed them onto a transfer tape so that it'll be easier for me to maneuver around the design onto the actual shirt. First up, we're going to be positioning our first base layer of the vinyl. You really want to carefully place the vinyl onto your surface, aligning it exactly where you want it. Take your time, getting it straight is the key to a perfect design. Here I am placing my outline of the reindeer first before adding in any details of the reindeer. So you really want to be careful when you're peeling the transfer tape so that the actual design is getting transferred to your shirt. Next, we're going to be adding each subsequent layers. You really want to carefully line it up with the previous one, making sure that the edges matches perfectly. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we try. Can't call you friend when I'm in my head on downhill dive. Can't call you crew for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant, waiting on the ice to break. Can we fix this if we get out of our own way? Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we try. Can't call you friend when I'm in my head on downhill dive. Can't call you crew for changing your mind. I still can't. So kind of wrapping things up here that you guys want to keep in mind is alignment is key. When you are placing multiple layers onto a design with your permanent vinyl. 2, you want to really apply light pressure when it comes to peeling off the transfer tape. And just practice makes perfect. If you are wary on making mistakes, I would say just start with small projects and get the hang of layering first before you move on to anything big. And there you have it, your final product. I hope this video helped you guys out. I'll see you guys in the next one. I wonder if I changed my number, would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer swimming in the sunset haze, color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we try. Can't call you friend when I'm in my head on downhill dive. Can't call you crew for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we